Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the last time I made a video on how you can get YouTube to recommend your video, I noticed that that video didn't go viral and many people are sleeping on that update. And I must tell you, after I've done this, after I turned off the setting and I turned off the setting, my channel is never the same again, because YouTube have started recommending my videos to more audience and I'm getting more views and much more watch hour. So in today's video, I'm just going to take you right on how you can turn on the setting so you'll be able to get more views and much more watch hour for your videos. Okay, so that being said, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, so for the sake of this tutorial, we'll need a desktop mode to open our YouTube channel. So right now I'm on my Chrome browser, and all I have to do to get my desktop mode is just to click this three dots right here. Then I'll request, okay, I think I'm on desktop mode already because I turned it on. So this is my YouTube channel. This is it. Then I'll just click on desktop mode since it's not on desktop mode. So after I've done that, I'll click on my YouTube studio. I'm coming. This one is not clicking now. What's going on? Okay, so I'll click on my YouTube studio, and when I'm on my YouTube studio, all I have to do is to look for my customization icon. So after clicking on that customization icon, all I have to do is go to home tab. Okay, so if this is your home tab setting, show your channel hometown to highlight and showcase content to your audience. If it's off, please turn it on. So this settings has been made on my channel already. So now the next thing you're going to do is to look for layout. Okay, customize the layout your channel on page with just 12 sections. So let me click on this plus this thing. So we have channel trailer and all. These are what you can use to customize your channel. So these are the features I turned on my channel. You can also do the same. So after you have done that, you come to this for you. Okay, you come to this for you. After you're in this for you, you click on this more settings. Okay, yeah, you click on this more settings. This is where the real deal is. So after you clicked on more settings, you turn on all these options if yours are not on. Like I said, my own are on. Then you come to this recency. Okay, the first one says all content recommended. That is, YouTube will always update the for you section with fresh content. Okay, so this content can be content that you have posted like months ago, that you have posted for years ago. Okay, that's what YouTube will recommend. So yeah, the second one says recent content only. Okay, so content you have posted in the past 12 months will be what YouTube will recommend. I don't know if you're getting the mathematics here. The first one, YouTube can recommend all your videos. Okay, YouTube will recommend it. YouTube can recommend videos from 2 years ago, from 3 years ago, from 1 year ago, and so forth. But this second one says it will only recommend content in the past 12 months. That is content within a year. So content within a year, that is me, I'm not up to a year on YouTube. Okay, so I think I'm about just 2 months old on YouTube. So YouTube is going to recommend my content because I'm not up to a month. So YouTube will be recommending, I'm not up to a year plus on this YouTube straight. So YouTube is going to be recommending my recent videos to more audience. So if this settings is turned off on your settings on your YouTube studio, please do well to go and turn it on. Okay, if you know you're a new YouTuber and you need your videos to get more recommendation, this is for you. But if you know you're an old YouTuber, you have gotten monetized already, I don't think you need this, and that's left to you. You might decide to take the first option or the second option, but that's fine. So for new YouTubers, I recommend you do this one, the second one, the recent content only, because we don't have much. We are just new to YouTube, and we want YouTube to recommend our new videos. So this is what I did that actually changed my channel for good. I started getting views. So after I've done this, I'll just click on done. I'll click on done, and it will automatically save. It will automatically save in my this thing. Then I'll just publish it. I didn't make any changes, so I'll go back to my channel. Let me show you the video after I did this. Cancel. After I did this, okay, because I didn't even make any changes. Okay, so this was the video I was talking about. This all you need to know about benefits. The day I published, like, this is the highest view I've ever gotten. These two videos are the highest views I've ever gotten on my channel so far. And this was after I turned on this settings on my YouTube studio. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. See you in my next one. Bye.